Hi everyone, welcome to Communicative Arabic. My name is Sohail and today we're gonna learn verb form 1. Arabic is a very musical language. It's full of patterns that are based on a specific music, and in this lesson we're gonna see how. Now let's open the PDF file for this lesson and go to table 1 to see examples of the past tense for verb form 1. First, let's just read the verbs. The first one, sakana, meaning he lived. Next, darasa, he studied or he learned. Next, raqasa, he danced. And the last one, kataba, he wrote. Now let's go over the verbs one more time, but this time after each verb, we're also going to do the music for that verb. Let's start with the first one. Sakana. A. Again. Sakana. A. The second one. Darasa. A. Again. Darasa. A. Next. Raqasa. A. Again, raqasa. A. And the last one, kataba. A. Again, kataba. A. Now let's read all the verbs in a row. Sakana, darasa, raqasa, kataba. Can you hear the music? All of them go a. So even though they are all different verbs, they all have the same vowel arrangement or the same music. So if we look at the number of letters these verbs consist of in the past tense, we realize that all of them have only 3 letters. Let's look at the first one. Sakana. Sa, ka, na. 3 letters. And the second one, darasa. Da, ra, sa. Again, 3 letters. And the same is true about all the other verbs belonging to the past tense of verb form 1. They all have 3 letters in the he form and the same music. And that's basically what a verb form is. It's a specific number of letters in the he form in either the past tense or the present tense, as well as a specific music that repeats itself in all the verbs belonging to that verb form. Now let's move on to table 2 to learn the present tense of verb form 1. Let's start with the first one. We're gonna read the verb first and then try to do the music for it. Yaskunu. A. The next one, yadrusu. A. Next, yarqusu. A. And the last one, yaktubu. A. Now all of them in a row. Yaskunu. Yadrusu. Yarqusu. Yaktubu. Again, they all have the same music and the same number of letters. If we look at them, all of them have 4 letters. Now let's move on to table 3 to put the past tense and the present together. First verb, sakana, yaskunu. Next, darasa, yadrusu. Next, raqasa, yarqusu. And the last one, kataba, yaktubu. Alright, now before moving on to the sample sentences, I'd like to mention that verb form 1 is a little more challenging to learn since it has 3 musical possibilities in the past tense and 3 in the present tense, whereas other verb forms have only 1 possibility in the past and 1 in the present tense. I personally suggest that you learn all the verbs belonging to verb form 1 through natural exposure and practice rather than trying to memorize all the musical possibilities. But if you would like to see these possibilities, they are all listed in table 4 of this lesson, so you can have a look if you want. Okay, that's all the grammar we're gonna need for this lesson. Now let's move on to the sample sentences. Number 1. He studied Arabic at university. هو درس العربية في الجامعة. Number 2. He studies a lot. هو يدرس كثيرا. Number 3. He lived in a beautiful village. هو سكن في قرية جميلة. Number 4. He lives in a small apartment. هو يسكن في شقة صغيرة. Number 5. He danced at a party. هو رقص في الحفلة. Number 6. He dances really well. هو يرقص جيدا. Number 7. He wrote me a letter. هو كتب لي رسالة. Number 8. He writes letters in Arabic. هو يكتب رسائل بالعربية. Number 9. He ate cake yesterday. هو أكل كعكة يوم الأمس. Number 10. He eats in restaurants sometimes. هو يأكل في المطعم أحيانا. Number 11. He worked at a hospital. هو عمل في مستشفى. Number 12. He doesn't work at a bank. هو لا يعمل في بنك. Number 13. He wore a coat. هو لبس معطف. Number 14. He doesn't wear gloves. هو لا يلبس قفازات. Number 15. He took the train. هو ركب القطار. Number 16. He takes the bus to work. هو يركب الحافلة إلى العمل. Number 17. He drank coffee with cake. هو شرب القهوة مع الكعكة. Number 18. He drinks tea every morning. هو يشرب الشاي كل صباح. Number 19. He went to the park. هو ذهب إلى الحديقة. And number 20. He is going to the airport. هو يذهب إلى المطار. Okay, so that's it for the sample sentences. Make sure you check out sample sentences too for more practice. Alright guys, that's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments about the lesson, leave them down below in the comment section and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.